Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, we got an interesting day today. We got Liberation Day. I don't know what that means, but I guess it's tariffs talk. President Trump speak at 4 o'clock after the market closed. You see how they line that up. But yeah, Bulls got trapped last night, man. If you was hoping for a long and breakout, you got trapped. So you see what trade is set, like what trade is actually going on right now, which is the rejection, the double top, and continuation off 563, which I have 562.25, 563, blah, blah, this area as my resistance zone. Resistance zone. This is my mid level, 559, 558.40. My support zone is down here at 553.70, 554.25. So this area is my support. This area is my. I would love for the market to bounce back up to this area to get short off of, somewhere up in here to get short off of, if we can possibly get that. That's what I like ultimately, but as you can see, man, the market's strong. It's buying down here. Now are they still gonna be here? We don't know. But there's a lot of buying pressure still down here in this area. But this the trade that's going on right now in this double top and it's following through. Will it find support here? Will sellers cover here? We don't know, but we would like to see that. So I like to see this push down here, find some support, and try to go long and try to catch that push back up to 558 to this mid level. See if we can get this, because extended move likes to get retraced. Just keep that in mind. All extended moves like this, man, likes to get retraced. I'm telling you. So just be aware of that. Don't think just because the market is down 1% in pre-market that is just going to keep falling, because I'm telling you, more than likely, all right, this trade can continue, find support, and then just rip back up. So you have to be on the lookout of that. You have to be aware of that. Only way I like to go short down here, off of support, if we get a clean flush of it. Like if we just get a clean flush of it, then I'll wait to get short off this level for the continuation down to all-time low. I mean, not all-time lows. I'm sorry. Of the low of this week, back down here to this area, or back down to here to this area to 549s, 550. But I have to see a crack of support before I start chasing shorts down here. Before I start getting in shorts down here at this level, because this is an extended move. We missed the short started way up here. You can see what I'm saying, and it's just been falling. So more than likely, I think the market will bounce back up and try to find sellers for a continuation, if this true selling, or if it's just coming back down to fill these orders that's been left behind still. But you just got to be patient, man. Wait for these levels to test. So these are the levels that I'm watching. I'm watching for support to hold, which is probably a day low. So I'm watching for this level to hold and see if I can get this rip back up to 557s, 558s, up to get a push back to this level. Come down, find some support here, push back up. So ultimately, you'll like to see push down, bounce. Oh man, that's this. So you like to see push down, some buyers come in, retest. All right, I like to take that trade. It's not gonna look that perfect, but you get what I'm saying. Like you have to see buyers come in, step in, show their hand, and then you ride the coattail. You get what I'm saying? Or if we lose support, be patient. If we lose support, then we know this is resistance now. So we'll wait for the retest into the trade for the continuation. Those are the trades that you have to be careful with, though. That's the trade that I took yesterday, the continuation trade. Those trades like to get trapped, man, here off open, here in this morning session. So those breakout trades of these zones like to get retraced. I'm telling you. So you have to be careful. You have to protect yourself if you want to chase the short. But if you see heavy selling momentum come in, don't be so quick to just pop in and chase it. Like, just be patient. Let the market come back to you, and then take your short. You get what I'm saying? But more than likely, push down, we're going to find some type of support here, I think. Push back up, go search for sellers, and then make his move. But like I say, we got that liberation day tomorrow, so we don't. The market's kind of spooked out about the tariffs. No one knows, but they know, but they try to keep us like confused. But the big money know what's going on. They understand the trade. They understand where they want to buy. So we just gotta jump on their coattail, and you can see a lot of buying, a lot of buying, a lot of buying. You get what I'm saying? Even if you go to the daily chart, they've been buying down here since when the 14th. You see? So you just don't get so fixated on what's going on. Like, oh yeah, the market's falling. Yeah, it is falling, but man, it can find support and just come and just retrace this whole entire move. So you just gotta be aware of that. But those are the trades that I'm looking for. I'm looking for support to come down, and I'm looking for this to hold. But you see, all right, say if it's pushed down, and if you get long, like you see this off the 5 minute time frame, you see this consolidation right here, 556, 557. So if you get long off this support, that you got to keep that. If it's gonna make this a higher low, then you got to keep that in mind. So that's almost a 5 point. That's almost a 3 point move, though. That's a good trade. That's an awesome trade. Now you can go try to search for the home run hit and you see how that work out for you, but more than likely, but if you get in the calls here, 554s, push up to the to this swing, to this lower high right here. That's an awesome trade, man. That's almost a 2 point, 3 point trade, and that'll pay you nice on options. You just gotta be aware. You can't be greedy. But yeah, that's the trade. So that's the trade I'm looking for off these levels. These are my levels overnight that I marked up. My support zone, my mid-level, my resistance zone. Looking for this level to hold and possibly catch the bounce off it. All right. See you guys later.